So what did you think about this mother language event?
I thought it was a great gathering of people from so many diverse different populations, and it was just nice to see everybody in different garments and representing different cultures and languages, and speaking with the students and the kids and other families and everybody in the community. I thought it was really rewarding and interesting just to see how much diversity there is, especially in San Jose. We talked about a lot about what languages they speak and what are they interested in and whatnot. Even got a basket. 다들 오늘 그냥 다양한 사람들 좀 만났으니까 그냥 기분 좋았고.
I really felt that it was a valuable experience that helped me connect more with my mother tongue and let me reflect on what aspects I could actually incorporate into my artwork, as well as writing a really meaningful reflection on it. Yeah, Chúc Mừng Năm Mới, which means Happy New Year in Vietnamese.
So at Adobe, we're always looking to allow the opportunities for the next generation of creators. This is why we build products specifically for K-12 that are free for global K-12. So we always talk about in education about the ability to add more creativity skills for all of our students. So by the time they leave either 12th grade, whether they're going to university, whether they're going to the job market, or they're going to create their own business, wouldn't it be great if they know how to use the tools to build whatever communication they need to communicate and be able to communicate with multiple audiences no matter what language throughout the world?